Leo the truck. Forklift Lifty is stacking up logs on the playground. Oh, he's having trouble. The logs are slipping and rolling away.
Huh?
Leo knows how to help. He will build a new vehicle, a logging truck. Let's build the vehicle here. Are you ready, Leo? First, attach the cabin to the chassis. Put 3 wheels on one side and 3 on the other. Now the front lights and the rear lights.
Ooh.
The radiator grille, the bumper, and on the rear side, we'll put strong metal stops. Then, the vehicle will be able to carry logs. Now, we need an arm.
Ooh.
It'll be necessary in order to lift logs. Leo, let's look for it. Look, which of these 3 is the best for grabbing logs? Right, tongs, like these. While Leo was building the truck, Lifty stacked logs. Nice, it works. All right, logging truck, you're free to go. Excellent work as always, Leo.